Good afternoon, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama here, checking out another home that just rolled off of the production line. This home's going up into Michigan for my customer Tom. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 32 by 68. We did an upgraded Wedgwood blue siding. We chose a dormer to highlight the door with a white shake siding. I'm gonna have to crawl on this golf cart and then crawl inside. So bear with me. There's Brittany. Thank you.
Which way are we going? That way?
Yep.
Okay.
Walking into the home, this is the foyer. Got a nice coat closet right here. Now this home is separated, so it's going to be a little bit of a difference when we're doing this tour. You're walking in to your front foyer. This is going to be a living area, so come on this way. Got a nice setback here for a TV or whatever you're going to do. This is a master bedroom. Very large master bedroom. Check out this master bedroom closet. Definitely walk in. Lots of area around. Complete with a window seat. We haven't seen that yet. We did a white wrapped profile trim at the top, around the windows and doors as well, and the bottom. We've got drywall in this home. This is a 1/2-inch thick drywall. We did a 12-inch ceiling cutback so that when these two pieces of the homes go together, you've got a very wide area to be able to stick a piece of drywall and possible to see the mate line. You'll just fan it right out into the rest of the ceiling. We're going to go crawl in the rest of the house. Uh-oh, we got a black kitty cat running around there. We know that cat. So we had a couple cats show up over at the office, and yeah, that's pretty. And I'm not gonna say who, but somebody started feeding them, so 2 turned into 30.
It was Christina.
No. So now we see these cats everywhere. Black, white. There's a brown one that comes over from across the street.
Couple calicos.
All right, here we go into. This is the back half of the house. This is where we're going to see the slider door. This is a long home. Over 2,000 square feet. All right. Looks like we're going to crawl right in here. All right. Oh my gosh. Look at this home, guys.
Oh man.
Brittany, you coming in? Come on, girl. Wow. Lots of new things we're going to see in here. Go grab the golf cart and drive it around.
I'll get it.
There you go. You got it. Our job is super exciting. All right, check this out. So this is a very large home, so we've got lots of packing material in here. They're going to need this when it gets to the job site. We do have the ability to do fireplaces. We could do half stone, such as this, with a hearth seat, or we could do full stone. Isn't that sharp?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, I do love that.
Yes. This is a gas fireplace. They're going to put their TV up here, so they had me add TV, computer phone jacks there. So this is the living area. Coming this way to the kitchen. Wow, this is amazing. Look how large this kitchen is. This is an ultimate kitchen here. We did some rearranging of the windows to bring more light in. We moved some windows from over there to over here. And this turned out super sharp. We've got a 24.7 cubic foot over-under refrigerator. We haven't seen this yet. Also, we've got a stainless steel farm sink here with a gooseneck faucet. A microwave cabinet. This has pot and pan drawers. Also a convenience cabinet. We did a ceramic backsplash here. We've got glass in the doors. And this is not plexiglass, guys. This is real glass. The ultimate kitchen handles. We've got Thunder on the floor, white in the cabinets, Pringley Nantico on the countertops.
Also added the dishwasher.
Yes. This is the first ultimate kitchen we've seen in my videos. And this looks sharp.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at all that cooking space.
Yeah. And cabinet space. Wow. What a dining room. Now we did shift the cabinets loose here because we ended up putting windows in the kitchen. So these would have been put there, but we opted for windows instead. But they still belong to the customer, so we ship them loose just in case they want to use them later. I think the rest that we have to look at, we've got to find the master bathroom, Brittany.
And the bedrooms.
Where are they?
I don't know.
In the other house. All right,
They
let's
must
go
be.
climb around some more. Or they're down here. You got to do some checking.
I gotta do some checking. Well, you wanna?
Right. While you're checking, let me see if I can't go find. Oh,
Do you wanna end or?
Nope. We'll go around here and do some checking. So now we're looking for a master bathroom and some bedrooms. Let's talk about this for a minute. When your home gets to your house, we do not side the gable ends, because as this home is rolling down the road at 60 miles an hour, we don't want to lose that siding. So let's see. It's the end of the day here for our workers. Well, it looks like we're buttoned up pretty good. Here you have it, my first video of a 32 wide. This is a 32 by 68, over 2,000 square feet. This is the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching. My number's in the description.